So Ends has got the slightly dinkier one, which considering he's slightly bigger, is an interesting choice, and he's got a dog with him. And I've got the double whammy, the by Overmont. And I actually really like this. I've got a DD hammock, but I like the fabric on this better because these are a bit less slippy than the DD travel hammock that I've got. And I really do like this Overmont hammock. It is big. I do need to sort something out with this net and get this a bit better, the midge net. But even so, it worked. It did the job, did what it was supposed to do. Okay, so things that I really like about this Overmont hammock. I've mentioned already about the nylon not being quite as slippery as the DD travel hammock that I've got. I love the fact that it comes with these strong tree huggers, strong carabiners on either end, and they work really well. And the fact that all that fits into this and just all folds together and folds in on itself, really nice. I need to sort out, this is the slightly larger one with the double hangers for the mesh, and I do need to find a better way of hanging that. I was really comfortable in that, and it's got so much space in it. I can't remember the exact measurements, I'll put them on the screen, but yes, this is just a quick field review of this hammock. What I didn't like, which I did adjust, and I adjusted it on Oldest Friends too, is these at the end, there was one fed into the other, and all the weight was hanging on just one of these loops. Where I've split those up, and I just feel it gives it a little bit more width here, rather than it being all knotted up. It's just I don't know, it just feels like it's a better thing to do. So that is one thing I would alter, and I've done that on the other Overmont hammock that you saw roadkilling in my last camping video. As you can see, I've done it on both ends. Cracking hammock, really like it. If you've liked this little field review, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell notification too. It costs you nothing, it just means when you open up YouTube you get a notification to say that I've uploaded another video. Hope you're all well, thank you so much for watching. Cheerio.